How to share your location on iPhone. Hello guys and welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can share your live location on iPhone using the built-in settings and application, which is perfect for letting friends and family know where you are in real time. So let's get started. So the one way is that you can simply share it using your Messages app or WhatsApp. You can simply share your live location, but you can't share it if you haven't enabled it. So make sure that you have enabled location services in your settings. And you can also go to Find My Application, that is the built-in application of Apple. Simply click on it and you'll be able to see something like this. So what you're going to do is click on People here at the bottom left and then simply click on Start Sharing Location. Once you click on the button, you'll be able to see a list of contacts that you have on your phone and with who you can share your location. Simply select the contact and just press Done, and then your location will be shared with that contact. So that is basically how you can share your location on iPhone. So if you found this guide helpful, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more helpful tutorials. I'll see you in the next video.